Hi, Kimberly. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. And I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of who paid the most money to Zillow to get the best leads this month, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. Okay, they're going to be your leads because it's your website. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here. I'm glad to see that you have your own specified realtor page. Great, perfect. So you're doing everything right as far as that goes. And I also see that you have a website. So obviously you do understand the value of having a website. But how much money is this website bringing you? How many leads is this website bringing you? So it looks like this is actually a website that you may not be paying for. It may just be like a free through the Georgia MLS, which is, hey, you got one. All right, that's good. But how much money is it bringing you? Okay, how much value is it bringing you, or is it just kind of there? Okay, so I would highly suggest getting your own website. You can either A, build it yourself, or B, have someone build it for you. It's really not that expensive considering the price of the average commission for a real estate transaction. Either way, if you do decide to build it yourself, you're going to want to implement these things into it. Okay, 3 things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. First is content. Google loves content. Search engines love content, but content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing you want to keep in mind is that all your photos need to be saved the right way. A lot of times when we upload photos in a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. So usually it's just random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, okay? Well, that's no good. That's not bringing us any value, especially in real estate websites with so many photos, with the IDX feed and with listing photos. It makes sense to have every photo saved with good content on the back end so that these search engines are going to read it and then help rank your site for it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Obviously, this website doesn't have very many photos. Like I said, I think it's just a Georgia MLS photo or a website link that you're not paying for that's hosted by them for free. Either way, when you do decide to get your own website, you're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved the right way. Do your homework on that. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Atlanta Realtors. We got above Atlanta Realtors, in Atlanta Realtors, Keller Williams Realty in town Atlanta, okay? These are the big dogs that are making the big dough, okay? It's because of a few things that they're doing right. Citations and how they have their Google My Business page ran, okay? But even more importantly than that, what I'd like to show you is, look at this, HarryNorman.com, okay? He's on the first page. He's in the 10th position for Atlanta Realtors, okay? That's a pretty big market. Also, if we go down here, now I don't know if you're a broker or if you're just realtor status, or where, if you're trying to grow, how big you're trying to grow, any of those questions. But as you can see, even if you're not a broker and you don't have your own brokerage, you can have your own Google My Business page. Dorsey Alston, the Zach team, we have Harry Norman. Keller Knapp, that might be a real estate brokerage. But either way, you can get a Google My Business page, okay? And so as you can see, Harry Norman's website was in the 10th position, and he's right up here in the Google My Business. So believe it, he is getting leads from this, and he is making money, okay? So we're going to use his Google My Business page for the purposes of this video. A couple things I want to point out. So this is what it'll look like. When you get one, this is what it'll look like, but it'll have your name here. And then a couple things. So I like to recommend down here in the appointments section to add your website once you get one. So Harry didn't do that. I recommend doing that down here in the appointments section, just to add exposure to your website. Also, reviews. So everybody knows the importance of reviews. We recommend 25 reviews. So Harry has 12 reviews. We recommend 25. Obviously, more than your competition is better. So if you had 13, you'd beat Harry's on this in this Google My Business page. But we recommend 25 videos. And then the last thing is photos. Okay, so how your photos are saved, all right? So we recommend 10 photos, and we recommend all 10 photos to be saved the right way, like we talked about earlier with your business. So it looks like Harry doesn't even have 10 photos. We recommend 10 photos. So do your homework. Get yourself a Google My Business page, add 10 photos, make sure the photos are saved the right way, push those reviews, get yourself some citations, and there'll be no reason why you can't be on this first page in this map pack here for Atlanta Realtors. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So anywhere that kimberlyharkey.georgiamls.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so my data is actually not showing you as having any data for backlinks or referring domains, but you do have some power with a domain rating of 73 out of 100. But I'm willing to bet that that's because it's a Georgia MLS site, so you're getting your power from them. But I don't think anybody's really finding you via that website and calling you from it. So that's the real key, is how many leads are you getting? So keep in mind, once you get your website, you're going to want to blast it out on the internet. But you're going to want to get backlinks from sites that are relevant to the trade and that aren't spammy. Okay, very important that you do your homework and you get your backlinks from powerful sites that are going to help you get your own domain rating high up, like this 73, but also help you be in like that 10th position, like how Harry Norman was. Okay, so do these things, get yourself some good backlinks, and that's going to help you do wonders with your website and your business. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and in your career to help you make some more money and bring in some more leads. So if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thanks for watching, Kimberly.